Your direct shift gearbox, otherwise known as DSG, is engineered to give you seamless gear changes, but needs regular oil changes to keep it working efficiently and effectively. If the gearbox oil is dirty, it may damage other parts of the gearbox and affect performance. Dirty oil can also overheat the gearbox or cause the clutch to burn out, which can lead to poor gear selection, loss of power, and transmission failure. The oil should be replaced according to the Volkswagen recommended intervals, or if the fluid appears dirty or burned. During the DSG oil change, we check for leaks, drain the oil, replace the oil filter if required, and refill with gearbox oil to Volkswagen approved standards. By changing your DSG oil at regular intervals, you will ensure that the oil continues to protect your gearbox and can avoid the risk of permanent internal damage. Regular oil changes will also keep your warranty valid for any future repairs to parts related to the gearbox.